Hey everyone, my name is Samantha Gabrielson and I am in the Environmental Management Class 501 at American Public University. My topic today is on the reintroduction of gray wolves to the eastern Washington state. Washington state is divided in this project into two places, West Washington and East Washington. West Washington already has a conservation management program in place, but East Washington doesn't. Therefore, that will be my focus. Lake Roosevelt is a national park that's used for swimming, canoeing, hunting, and camping. And since it is in the northeastern area, wolf protection is not as strong as it is in the west. So, Lake Roosevelt National Recreational Area is located at 1008 Crest Drive at the Cooley Dam in Washington. It was built in 1941 on the Columbia River as part of the Columbia River Basin Project. It's 125 square miles, and the animals that reside there include moose, osprey, swallow, kingslets, gray catbirds, and sage threshers. The central topic that is going to be focused on right now for conservation are going to be gray wolves. They're known as Canis lupus in the scientific community. Unfortunately, the population has decreased since the 1850s, when Europeans slaughtered many wolves to protect their farms and livestock. To date, only 19 packs are known to reside in all of Washington. Conservation efforts in the West have certainly helped, but still allow lethal measures to ensure livestock protection. In the East, wolves are sighted more frequently than in the West, but still they do not have a great population like they had about 200 years ago. The adaptive management plan that will be focused on will be to protect wolf populations in East Washington by providing reintroduction of 30 new wolves, 15 male, 15 female, as breeding packs, in the Lake Roosevelt Park. It will restrict all hunting and killing of gray wolves, and that would also focus on any kind of livestock problems that they have. Instead of attacking the wolves that they are legally allowed to do right now, instead they would be compensated for all their losses due to attacks from the wolves. And also, it's important to educate all campers and park users on the importance of wolf protection in this area to ensure the safety of both patrons, and also to kind of make a better morale as far as wolves are concerned in the area. There are a lot of policy concerns and a little bit of backlash for wolf conservation because a lot of livestock are lost because of the attacks that wolves will, of course, do. They accounted in just eastern Washington alone for 10% of the 312 sheep and cows lost in all of Western America. And a state lawmaker from northeast Washington, Joel Kretz, has more than once told his colleagues in Olympia that social tolerance for wolves is about gone in his district. And lethal measures are common to protect livestock, but many times this will kill the breeding females, ruining repopulation attempts for the conservation of these wolves. The sources used today were from National Park Services, as well as Seattle Times, WDFW, and Capital Press. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I hope you have a wonderful day.